Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to program a game like Doors. Now I've already made two rooms, the starting room and a room for us to generate, which is just a small little room. Now I also have a door and a key which we will use later. So I'm going to make both of these folders models, so starting room and ungroup. So there. Now I have that, so I'm going to do the same thing here. I name a small room and then ungroup that into the model and group the folder into the model. So we're gonna have to do one more thing once you have your rooms. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an invisible part. Where's part? There it is. Okay. And you're gonna want to put it at the exit and the entrance, and then you're gonna want to make it invisible and can collide false with anchored true. So anchored, can collide, and transparent. You're going to rename exit and then put it in your room model. So I'm just going to be doing that for the rooms I've made. What we're going to be trying to do here is what we're going to try to make it so that it automatically generates 100 rooms for us. So I'm going to make a new folder in replicated storage, rename modules, add a module script, rename room. In server script service, we're going to add a script, rename main. So in our main script, we're going to do local room equals require game.replicatestorage.modules.room, which is our module script. Now in our room module, so I'm going to do local room.random equals random.new. Okay. I think we can't use the local there. Okay. So now we're going to do function room.instance. So we're going to do previous room. So I'm just going to do prev. And now we're going to do if prev, then local room equals local instance equals. Here now we're going to make a new folder, rename rooms. I'm going to put this in replicated storage and put our small room into that folder. Instance equals so game.replicatestorage.rooms get children. Actually, I don't think we need this random thing here. So math.round math.random 1 comma number of the thing, number of the table, the children clone. Okay, so then instance.parent equals workspace dot. We're gonna do another folder. I name instanced rooms. So instance dot parent equals workspace dot instanced rooms. Okay, so what are we going to do now? Well, we need to move the instance rooms. So instance dot primary part equals instance dot entrance. Instance pivot 2. Then now this is where we need the previous dot exit dot position. Now we need to do cframe. So here's where something's going to be important. You are going to want to have the exits C-frame orient and the entrances C-frame oriented correctly, or else it'll just be weird. So after all of this code, I think all we have to do is then return instance. Okay. So then in here we're going to do for I equals 1, 100, do room.instance. So local previous equals workspace dot starting room, and we're going to do previous equals, then previous here. Now I am going to quickly check the exit of my starting room. And I'm going to check its front by putting a decal and making this on the front. It's oriented this way. Okay, that I think is wrong for what we want. So I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to grab our small room out. Entrance, paste into. Yeah, this is also oriented the wrong way. And the exit, which I'm going to guess. Yep. Or actually, no, I don't think it is oriented. No, that's the right face. Front. Why is that the front? Then we're going to play it just to see if, actually no, instead of play, what we're going to do is run, since we don't even have anything to play yet, really. Yeah, this is what happens if it's oriented wrong. This, a bunch of rooms stuck inside of each other. So small rooms exit. I'm going to see you paste into, this is O. Front. Huh? Okay. Paste into. And it worked. Look at this beautiful line of small rooms. Now, we only have one type of room. So, it doesn't really print out unique rooms. And the only really unique room in this game is here, the starting room. But let's add one more thing. So, in our room module, what we are going to do is local door equals, okay, so I'm going to add a new folder, rename stuff, for example, and I'm going to put the door in that. Game.storage.stuff.door clone. Door.parent equals instance door.main.cframe.more position equals what we're going to do now. Well, I'm going to do door pivot to target cframe.no. What we're going to do now is I guess what we should do is a C-frame of the, so instance.prime well exit.position. Then where's a touch to connect function? Hit if game.players get player from character hit dot parent, then what we're gonna do now is we need well, we need to actually move the door. So I already have an animation, and here's my layout for the door model. I'm going to delete the anim saves. But I'm going to keep the anim saves anyway. So what we're going to do now is do door.animationController.animator load animation door.open play. So we're gonna hold this as local anim equals that anim play anim.loot equals false. Okay, here we go. So now we can save. And now if we play, it should generate little doors, like in the actual game. Okay, so the start one does not have a door, because we did not make it do that. we're gonna wait its length and then door destroy. Just to not lag up the game that much. Okay. And so local opening door equals false. So then I'm gonna do and opening door equals false. Opening door equals true. So save. So yeah, we have our doors now. We have the basics. Now how about we add another room? So I'm going to go to our rooms, duplicate, rename room. Now I'm going to group as folder, ungroup. Gonna move all this out here. Put this, 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 and this. Now I'm just gonna grab a light. Since all of these are kinda dark. All the rooms are kinda dark. We will add a dark room for Screech later. Now I'm going to get all of this. No, this. I'm going to group as mono. Name long room. Ungroup the folder. Put this in here. And now, save. We should have another room that generates. So, this did not take up that much time. And it is a quite simple little game. Yeah, here's our long room. I should probably add lights to the smaller room as well. Yeah. Now there's lights in it. So you can go and decorate your rooms and maybe make some extras while I'm making the next video. So, adios everyone.